All right, family, this is your girl Angenett. I am coming to you because I had someone to send this letter to me, and they were upset and kind of sad because they had applied for they applied for a loan to try to pay off some debt, and they got denied. The credit score, as you can see, at the bottom was 696, so it wasn't the credit score, and they thought because they had a good credit score that they was going to be approved. So don't get upset when you get these letters, okay? They tell you exactly what you need to do. You just got to put in some time, work on what they're asking you to work on, and then reapply, okay? So it's not anything against you. It's just that you have made some bad decisions in your life, and now it's time to pay up and get yourself together and acknowledge that you made some mistakes in your life, okay? We all make mistakes. We all done things to mess about credit. We've all had some collections that we haven't paid that we had to get, straightened out. So don't feel bad. Okay, so if you look at the first bullets at the top with the pink, outlined in the pink, it says number of months since oldest installment credit account was open. That means that you have a new account that is less than 12 months old since the last account that you opened, okay? Months since a bank card balance exceeded its credit limit. That means within the year, you had a credit card, that exceeded the limit. The limit may have been $500 and you went over the credit limit of that card. It may have went over because you didn't pay. You had a late fee or something like that that made it go over, or you charged over the amount, okay? Number of inquiries on credit bureau report. That means you have applied for credit too many times within a year. Okay. Guys, this is so important. Now, when you apply for credit, you have 30 days to apply for whatever you need to apply for. Within that 30-day range, you can apply for 100 companies within that 30-day, and it only counts as one. But if you try to do one this month and then next month you wait and try to apply again and then you do it again the next month, it counts as each individual inquiry. So remember, if you're going to apply for a car loan, they are going to apply for maybe 15 companies, and whichever companies come back with an approval, that's who they're going to go with. Again, if you go to a company and apply and then the next month you apply, those will count as individual credit inquiries instead of one. Now, the last one says length of Navy Federal Credit Union membership. That means your account is too new. You may have just opened this account 3 months ago, 6 months ago, and then you're applying for a loan. That means that you need to wait at least a year before you apply for a new account. And then sometimes that account may have a balance that is close to the credit limit, or you just opened that account and you only made about 5 or 6 payments. Wait about a year before you apply for a new loan, so that way they can get payment history established, and then they can see that you're pretty good at paying your bills, okay? Now, this company, Navy Federal, they used TransUnion. It doesn't say Equifax and it doesn't say Experian. So they only request the information from one credit bureau, which is TransUnion. Again, as you see, sorry about that. Again, as you see, the credit score is 696. So it wasn't the credit score that caused the problem, okay? And then at the bottom, if you see the numbers, it tells you like serious delinquency in public records or collection. That means that you have a bankruptcy or collection that is on your credit report that is causing a delinquency on your account. Ratio of revolving balances to credit limit are too high. Again, this is your debt to income ratio, which means that you have more debt than you have income. So the income that you put on your application, your debt is probably 50% or more of your income, which is causing you to not get approved, okay? Lenders like to see at least 45 or lower percentage of your debt to income ratio. That means your debt is 45% of your income, guys. Remember this, okay? Don't go up in there if you know your income is $2,500 and your debt is $2,000, or your debt is $2,900 and you're only bringing in $2,500, because you will get approved. They want to know that you're able to pay this new loan. They want to know that you have the money, and you have to show that on paper. Okay, you can't just walk up in there and say, well, I'm gonna get $3,000. I know my income says 2,500, but I'm gonna bring in $3,000. If you can't show that, you're not gonna get approved. Okay, it has to be where they can physically see that you're able to pay that. All right. The next one is level of delinquency on accounts. Those are late payments, which means that if you've had any late payments within a year, that is going to show up on your credit report. And I always stress this: pay your bills. Pay your bills. I don't care if it's the minimum amount of whatever it is on your credit card. Pay your bills. If you have to borrow the money from a family member to pay those accounts, because if you miss that payment and it comes as late, oh God, it's going to hurt your credit report. Okay, and you're going to have to wait at least 6 months of good payments. You're going to have to do at least 6 months of good payments to get that late payment taken off your account. Okay. The next one says too many consumer finance company accounts. Guys, too many revolving accounts with high balances. What that means is you got too many credit cards with high balances on your account. That means it may be a finance company that you have. It may be a car loan that you have that has a high balance. It may be credit cards. You may have 3 or 4 credit cards with high balances. Oh, yeah, they count that. Okay. They count that. So guys, I just wanted you to see this, so that way you don't get upset and you throw it away and then you just, say, forget it. I just want to apply. I just, go back to doing what I've been doing. Hey, you do have a chance to get this right. Okay. It's just going to take some time to get it right, but you can do it. Okay. Just work on it. Work on it. All right. Work on yourself. Get these in order. Get yourself in order. Pay down your debt. And then give it another year. Pay down everything that you need to pay down. Get your high credit limit together. Do not apply for any new credit. And then wait about a year. Okay. And guys, I'm telling you, you will get approved. All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I am available. I can help you through this. But don't get upset when you see something like this. Don't think that the world is over because you didn't get approved for that loan, or you didn't get approved to buy the house, or you're trying to buy some land and you didn't get approved. Wait, work on yourself. Wait a year. It may be a year setback, but you can fix this within a year. Okay. Peace out, guys. Have a blessed day. Hey, now you got yourself in that situation. Now you have to work to get yourself out of it. It can be done. You can do this. Yeah, you got, you're getting a setback for a year, but it's not over. Your life is not over. You can revamp and get approved for what you need to get approved for. You just got to go do the work. You know what I always say? Mind your own business and take care of you. Okay. Peace.